a person have this mindset in relation to Allah Azza wa Jal, whole the game changes. Because at the moment the thing is, it's as though Allah needs me. So he said, brother, come, please pray. Brother, come, please actually do this dhikr. As though he is, na'udhu benefiting Allah or feeding someone actually what he has. Oh, you are the beneficiary. And you'll be lying dead or in hospital or paralyzed in any way. Who will be the loser? So one have to change this mind. And the truth is that when you have this mindset, I am going to benefit, let aside Allah, you will serve others. Allah is Khaliq, to worship Him is an honor. Follow Rasulullah is an honor. But when you will know benefit lies in where I can take my benefit, you will be serving creation. Meaning actually you will be, I was giving an example, that why do we go to work? You feel very actually proud, oh, I am working this company. And what do? Yeah, I sit on the table and market for them. So who are you? You are marketing, portraying someone else. Yeah, I've got very good work. I actually check people's illnesses, disease, thing. Some are driving bus, some are driving cars, taxis, courier, delivery जो कर रहे हैं, वो क्यों कर रहे हैं? उनको फ़ायदा नज़र आ रहा है, वरना ये अमेज़न वाले दूसरे जो इतनी ज़्यादा वो डिलीवरी कर, अगर पता हो फ़ायदा नहीं है हमारा, if they don't, we do not benefit as much, तो वो तो माँ कहे अच्छा बर्तन लिया, मैं नहीं लिया ना. Father says, do I get this from shop me? I've just been once there. तीसरी दफ़ा कहे, no go. वो डिलीवरी वो 1000 पार्सल वो कर रहा है पैसे के लिए सर. Why? He thinks it's benefit. While if someone says for other reason, a wife says to husband, husband says to wife, whatever, or for children, they find it hard. So you send me shop once, get this bottle of milk. Okay. Son is obedient, he goes. Daughter is obedient, goes. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we needed a packet of tea. Go again. It's very much obedient, you go again. Oh, I forgot to get a packet of sugar. Oh. Mom, mother, father, oh, please say once, I can't go, I'm not bothered to go. But the same boy, if he work in Asda or in a burger shop, is actually serving customers with the same products hundreds of times and doing parcels, and he's very happy and be proud. I have come for work, I work for this, I work in this takeaway and thing. What is the story behind it? Whereas the true person, a person who has the true value, he will value according to what things are valued. Top is Allah Azza wa Jal, the Prophet ﷺ, the Ahlullah, the Awliya, the Sulaha, the parents, and then actually others come in. So he has or she has a different mindset.